Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide Google Form responses. If you're collecting responses through Google Forms but don't want users to see them, you can disable responses summaries, limit access to response sheets, or use add-ons to hide response. And in this video tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step. So let's start by following these few simple steps. The first is to disable response summaries, and to do that, open your form by going to forms.google.com. Once the website appears, make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. Now once logged in, choose the choose the form you wanna hide the responses from. Now the second step is to click the three dots menu or go to settings. Let's go here. Now here, toggle off allow response summary to prevent users from seeing results. Let's look for it. Let's go to the responses section and look for this option right here that says allow response summary and toggle it off. The second step is to restrict Google Sheets access. Now if responses are linked to Google Sheets, click responses and click on view in Sheets. Now in Sheets, click share and change the permission to only you or specific users. Let's see here. As for the third step, you can also use add-ons for extra privacy. Some Google Forms add-ons allow better privacy control and response management. You can also collect responses without showing answers, but instead of using multiple choice quizzes with immediate feedback, use short answers or paragraph fields so responses are private. And this was it for today's tutorial. To hide Google Form responses, you can disable response summaries, restrict access to linked sheets, and use privacy settings to prevent respondents from seeing collected data. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.